It doesn't matter where you are in the world today, or how long you have been in the crypto space. As long as you are into crypto, you are definitely going to make use of crypto exchanges. Without exchanges, no one would be interested in crypto, and it is very important that you know what they are, especially if you plan to succeed in the crypto space. Hi there! Welcome to CryptoCube. In today's video, we are going to talk about crypto exchanges, what they are, why they are important, the types of exchanges, their differences, and more. Just stick to the end of the video and pay close attention. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so now and like this video, as this helps us reach other people interested in crypto too. Now that you have done that, let's get right into it. What are crypto exchanges? Crypto exchanges are part of the most important areas of cryptocurrency that can never be overlooked. Basically, a crypto exchange is like a marketplace where you buy and sell cryptocurrency. Crypto exchanges are important because without them, no one would be able to buy or sell crypto. And if somehow you received crypto by mining, airdrops, or minting, there wouldn't be any place for you to convert the crypto you have to other crypto or exchange it out for actual dollars. The reason why people invest a lot into crypto is because they know that at the end of the day, there will always be a place to exchange their crypto for money or other assets anytime they want to. Now that we have a general understanding of what exchanges are, let's look at the types of exchanges. We have the Centralized Exchanges, also known as CEX, and the Decentralized Exchanges, also known as DEX. Centralized Exchanges, or CEX, are the types of exchanges that are run by a company. They act as the middleman between one trader and another, and they charge for the services they provide in the form of fees. They are the central authority in this mix, and everyone involved falls under strict rules. Some centralized exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, MEXC, Bitmart, and so on. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, on the other hand, are exchanges that are not run by any central authority and hence no middleman or third party. No one body governs the affairs of the exchange, hence the name. Some examples of these decentralized exchanges are Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and so on. Although these definitions are easy and very straightforward, there are many other in-depth differences between these two types of exchanges. To help us better understand what these are, we are going to talk about them in terms of KYC, usability, trading, liquidity and volume, security, support, and fees. KYC. KYC simply means Know Your Customer. This means that for a user to continue using the services provided by the said company that requires KYC, the user has to provide some means of identification like passports, bank statements, and so on. In many centralized exchanges, KYC is now required. To keep the platform from fraud and prevent money laundering, users need to be verified. This varies from exchange to exchange. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges doesn't require any form of KYC. No ID cards, no emails, and not even your name is necessary. Being anonymous is key here. Nobody wants to know who you are. Just do business and be on your way. This is one reason why many people avoid using centralized exchanges. They want to stay anonymous but eventually can't because centralized exchanges are now making this a requirement, which makes it feel like they're now in control and your identity is no longer a secret. Usability. In terms of usability, centralized exchanges are easier to use as they have been around longer, and the basic idea is to get more users to use their platform. Since the fee paid by these users is one way many of these centralized exchanges get their money, it's paramount that they make these users comfortable, providing them with nice user interface and simplifying complicated jobs to just the push of a button. The design is not focused on making trading as simple as it can be. As a beginner in crypto, if you do not know what you are doing, I'd suggest sticking with centralized exchanges as the decentralized ones can get you in trouble if you aren't careful. Secondly, in decentralized exchanges, cryptocurrency transactions must be completed before the trade is finalized. This can be a problem if your type of trading is time dependent. This means you cannot quickly flow with the current at that moment. This is why people use centralized exchanges. Market orders are instant, and you can take advantage of the market volatility. Also, with centralized exchanges, there are more important trading features like stop loss, take profit, futures trading, and so on. These functionalities are so important that they cannot be ignored. But decentralized exchanges do not have any of these at the moment. Volume and liquidity. One major reason why lots of projects or coins out there die is because they do not have enough liquidity to back up their coins, and this is frequent in decentralized exchanges. Compared to centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges have low liquidity pools to support the coins they hold. This is because centralized exchanges have deeper pockets and more investors than decentralized ones. Liquidity pool, simply put, is the finance that backs up a particular coin. Low liquidity means there is a big chance you might not be able to exchange your coins for a different coin or money whenever you want to. This happens a lot with decentralized exchanges. You can end up having a coin you cannot swap due to low or no liquidity. Centralized exchanges can't afford to have that problem and usually don't. Trading. Another very important marker for these two exchanges is how trading is done. In centralized exchanges, you can decide to buy a specific crypto asset at 3 different places. 1. You can choose to buy at the current market price. 2. You can choose to buy at the price someone else has listed theirs to sell. This is usually below market price. Or 3. You can decide to put up an order at the price you want to buy at, and wait for who's interested to come to you. This is not the same with decentralized exchanges. You buy simply at the price the coin is trading. For example, say John wants to buy Bitcoin on a centralized exchange like Binance. He can look at the current rate and decide not to buy at the market price. Maybe it's too high for him. He can decide to buy from the next Bitcoin listed for sale under the market price. Or maybe he predicts that the price of Bitcoin will come down soon and just create a new entry stating the exact price he wants to buy at. Now, on the other hand, if John wants to buy the same coin from a decentralized exchange, he won't have the luxury of choosing the price to buy at. Rather, he must buy at the current price the coin is trading if he wants the coin. The reason being that unlike centralized exchanges, people don't list their coins up for sale. Rather, they just give, take, and go away. This ability to choose at what price to buy at is one key feature that gives centralized exchanges an edge over DEX. Secondly, in centralized exchanges, you can buy cryptocurrency with fiat currencies like dollars, yen, or pounds. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, doesn't give you that feature. You can only exchange other crypto with crypto. Also, centralized exchanges gives you the opportunity to trade coins on different chains. Meaning, you can trade Ethereum for BNB, and these are on 2 different chains. But with decentralized exchanges, you cannot trade or swap across chains. You need to swap coins with other coins on that particular chain. For example, Uniswap only allows coins on the Ethereum chain to be traded. PancakeSwap only allows coins on the Binance Smart Chain to be exchanged. Hence, Ethereum cannot be traded for BNB directly on centralized exchanges. Security. We already established that decentralized exchanges are not owned or run by one single person or authority, and because of this, security is high. This is because with decentralized exchanges, there are no singular servers backing the exchanges where data of users are stored. The private keys and funds are all under the user's control, since there is no central control point. This makes hacks very difficult to carry out. However, with decentralized exchanges, the user's assets are stored with the exchange. The private keys of the user are all under the control of the exchange. And since all the funds of people using centralized exchanges are stored on the exchange servers, they are usually targets of hackers, and if that happens, you may lose your money as well. For example, in 2014, Mt. Gox got hacked and lost 850,000 Bitcoin, which in today's price is well over $19 billion. It doesn't matter how the hack occurred. If you had crypto in that exchange, you were at a loss. This could happen because the assets of users were stored in private servers, but with DEX, it's not the same. Support. In centralized exchanges, there is always support available when needed, but with DEX, there are no official customer representatives. You might find people like you trying to help out, but that's the best you can get. You are on your own, my friend. Fees. As I mentioned in the beginning, centralized exchanges rely on customers' fees. This is the main source of revenue. They charge relatively high fees to execute trades, especially if you use fiat cryptocurrency to trade. They also make money regardless if the market goes up or down. In decentralized exchanges, absence of intermediary allows for non-existent or very small trading fees. It depends on the exchange and their protocol. Those exchanges that do charge small fees, those fees will be distributed to network service providers. So if you're new to crypto, all this information will help you decide which exchange is good for you. But personally, centralized exchanges are a good place to start in your crypto journey. Although decentralized exchanges continue to be overlooked compared to centralized exchanges, they currently offer significantly better trading features and services. As development of decentralized exchanges progresses, it may be likely that we see some shift in preference to more decentralized models. I believe both will coexist in the future. Now this wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and be sure to check out our other videos so you gain more crypto knowledge. Till next time, bye!